Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 9.1 question number 5. The number of girl students in each class of a co-educational middle school is depicted by the pictograph. Right? Here you see class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Number of girls students. Here you have to remember that this one girl represent one picture, that is one picture represent four girls, right? That means here in class 1 how many girls is there? Here you see 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In pictograph there are 6 girls is given, right? 6, that means 6, and one can represent 4 girls, that is 4 into 6. 4 into 6 or 6 into 4, that means 24 girls in class 1. 24 girls. 24 girls. 24 girls. In class 2, how many girls representing? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and half, right? That is 4.5. 4.5. That is 4.5 multiplied by 4. Why? Because one picture represent 4 girls, right? Therefore 4.5 into 4. That is 4 for your 22, here 0, 4 for your 16, 17, 18. 18. 18. Therefore, it is 18 girls in class 2. Right? Next one is question number 3. In class 3, how many girls are representing? There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 girls. 5. That means 5 picture is there. That means 5. And each picture representing 4 girls is 5 into 4. That means 20 girls. 20 girls. Right? Now question number 4. How many girls? 1, 2, 3 and half, 3.5. 3.5, and each picture represents 4 girls, therefore 3.5 into 4. That will comes to 3.5 into 4. 4 for 20, 3 for 12, 13, 14. That is 14 girls. Right? Now question number, in class 5, how many students are there? It is 1, 2, 2 and half, that is 2.5. 2.5, and each picture represents 4 girls, therefore to multiply by 4, that is 2.5 into 4. 2.5 into 4. 4 for 20, 4 for 8, 9, 10. That is 10 girls. 10 girls. Next one is in class 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 girls, and each girl represents 4 girls, one each pictograph, therefore 4 into 4, that means is equal to 16 girls. 16 girls. And in question numbers, in class 7, how many students are there? Here you see 1, 2, 3. 3 picture is there, and each picture represents 4 girls, therefore 3 into 4, that is 12 girls. 12 girls. Right? Now question, now in class 8, how many students are there? 1 and half, right? That is 1.5. That is 1.5 into, each picture represents 4 girls, 1.5 into 4, and that comes to 1.5 into 4, that is 4 for 20, 4 on 4, 5, 6, that is 6 girls. 6 girls. Right? Now the question is, observe this pictograph and answer the following questions. Is which class has the minimum number of girl students? Minimum number. Here you see this is 24, 18, 20, 14, 10, 16, 12, 6. This is the minimum girls, right? That means which class has the minimum number of girl student? Therefore, in class 8, right? Which class has the minimum number of girl student? The minimum number of girl students is in class 8. Is in class 8. Which class has the minimum number of girl student? That we can write that is class 8. Class 8, and it has only 6 girl students, right? Now question number B. Is the number of girls in class 6 less than the number of girls in class 5? If we compare in class 5, how many girls are there? 10 girls. In class 6, how many girls are there? 16 girls, right? Is the number of girls in class 6 less than the number of girls in class 5? No. No. The answer is no. The number of girls in class 6 is greater than the number of girls in class 5, right? That is class 5, class 6, class 6, class 6 has class 6 has more girls, girls as compared to as compared as compared to class 5, compared to class 5, as compared to class 5, right? Now question number C. How many Question number C is how many girls are there in class 7? Here you see how many girls are there in class 7. In class 7 you see this is 7, 7 is 3, 3 4 is 12, 12 girls. How many girls are there in class 7? It is 12 girls, right? In class 7 there are 12 girls. Therefore we are right. In how many girls are there in class 7? In 7 there are 12 girls. 12 girls, right? This is the solution of question number 5 of exercise 9.1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.